Hello dear students, myself Sunil Kumar Jadhav, welcome back to my channel. Basic Science for standard 9th and 10th, in which covalent bond in oxygen, that is O2, that we are going to discuss here. I have made the videos of different kind of bonding in different elements about the ionic bond as well as covalent bond for basic high school level student. I have shown. One of my student has asked, one of my viewer has asked in fact, that sir, can you show me the covalent bond in oxygen? I have already made the video, but this is again for you. The covalent bond in oxygen. When we are talking about oxygen, first of all we have to remember the atomic number of oxygen. Atomic number, we'll write it, atomic number of oxygen element. You know, oxygen is at 8 number in periodic table, means we can say its atomic number is 8. Its electronic configuration, we'll write it, electronic configuration. Electronic configuration of oxygen, that is, this is oxygen element. We are going to see about the covalent bond in O2, that is oxygen molecule. Atomic number of oxygen atom, I can write even oxygen atom, otherwise you will get confused, is 8. So the electronic configuration of oxygen atom, you know that it is 2 and 6. To complete its octet, it's require 2 more number of electron to gain. But in case if this oxygen is not getting those 2 electron from any other element, then what would happen? It will make the covalent bond with the another oxygen element. How does it possible? That we will see with the electron dot structure. I will show you. Electron dot structure. This is what we have seen: atomic number, electronic configuration 2, 6, and now electron dot structure for the covalent bond. This oxygen element, I will write it here. You know, in electron dot structure, the outermost orbit's electron we are showing around the symbol of that particular element. So this is 6. I will show it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is another oxygen element. For that, the same electron, that is 6 number of electrons are there, that I will show it with the help of cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now this oxygen also require 2 number of electron. This oxygen also require 2 number of electron to complete its octet. Octet means outermost orbit should be filled with the 8 number of electron. But in both of these cases, this is a case just imagine if you are going in canteen during the recess time period, and if you have only 10 rupees in your pocket, you are asking for the wafer packet of 10 rupees. But the shopkeeper or the canteen person does not have the 10 rupees packet, but he is having 20 rupees packet with him. Another your friend comes at the same time and he or she also had the same amount, that is 10 rupees with them. Then what will be happening? That you are also not going to get the 20 rupees packet, and that your friend also not going to get the 20 rupees packet. In that case, you cannot tell your shopkeeper or the canteen person that just open the packet, give me half and keep the half one. In that case, what will you do? In that case, you will do the sharing of money. What you will do? You will give your 10 rupees to your friend. Both amount you will mix up, and then you will take the wafer packet of 20 rupees, and after taking that 20 rupees packet, you will open it and the half-half sharing must be done. Here also the electrons are doing the same kind of sharing. As for this electron 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 electrons are required, it will do the sharing of this 2 electron along with this oxygen. So it would be like this. I did this circle and circle, in which you can see how many number of electrons are there for this oxygen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of its own, and this 2 is shared with from this oxygen. Similar way, this oxygen has the 6 number of electron. The sharing of this 2 electron will be done from this oxygen. I'll do it. So in this circle you can see how many number of electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So its valence is completed with 8. It is octet completed. For this oxygen in this circle also you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 its own, and this 2 has been done sharing with this oxygen. So here you can see this is how the sharing of electron has been done. While the sharing of electron has been taken place, the bond is called as a covalent bond. They are making the covalent bond. Exchange of electron, that is ionic bond, but while sharing of electron has been done, it is making the covalent bond. So here they are making the covalent bond. How many electron sharing has been done? 2. You can see 1 and 2. So here they are making the double bond, and the structure of this oxygen will be like this: oxygen, double bond, oxygen. So they are doing the covalent bond with the double bond. So this is how the covalent bond in oxygen can be formed. I hope you understood. The viewer that asked the question, I think this concept is clear in your mind. If you have any other query of mathematics or science, you can ask me in the comment section, so I can solve your doubt, I can solve your queries. Keep watching my channel, and if you like this video, then click on the like button and subscribe the channel for further updates, so I can upload maximum number of videos for your help. Thank you so much.